Hello guys, and again welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial or in this tutorial I am going to teach you on how to install XAMPP web server on your local Mac computer. Okay, so all we need are the following. So first is a running Mac OS computer and then a XAMPP web server installer. Okay, if you haven't downloaded one, and then you can download it through here. Okay, just search here XAMPP. Okay, some, and then here just click it and then download some for OS X. So this is the latest version of some they have released. Okay, on my end, in my case, I have already downloaded mine. So let's start with installation process. So I have here downloads and SAMP OS 7.1.3. So for Windows computer, okay, you can see here that XA, okay, that is the format for all Windows type computer, but for this Mac OS it is .dmg. Okay, so let's start installing this one. So just click this one, and then after that this will be a prompt window will appear. So double click this one, and then SAMP is an adaptable, so just open it anyway. So provide the password if you are prompt to place the password of your computer and then place it. So let's wait. So it's now installing. So here, after we click this the installer, okay, a wizard has appeared. So welcome to SAM. So let's click next. Okay, select components. Next, next. Okay. So take note in this part. This is the um directory where some web server will be installed in the applications in our applications. Okay, so next, next. So so just leave it. So setup is now ready to begin. So just click next and wait until it is done. Okay, so let's wait. Okay, it may take some time depending. It depends upon the um features or hardware of the computer. Okay, if your hardware has the most high end, and then it would install very fast. But if not, and then you have to wait, you have to be patient with it. Anyway, it wouldn't take an hour to install. Okay, so it is still unpacking files. So let's wait. So here in SAMP, okay, there's a WordPress, Drupal, Joomla model, and so on and so forth. Okay, so let's close these other windows. So it is now creating the uninstaller. Okay, so we are done. So let's launch the SAMP or installed SAMP. So finish, and it works. So here it goes. So this is all for this tutorial, and then thank you for watching and enjoy learning. So please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Thank you.